Good morning, one and all. This is Mohs Typewriting Institute. Today we are going to discuss paper 2 shorthand. Briefly explain about the combination of loop ST and STR with sufficient examples. Okay, it is maybe 4 marks. First of all, the loop, a small loop. What is the size of the loop? The small loop sound is represented by ST. It is made of the length of the half length of the stroke. How much we should add this loop? Half length of the stroke. For example, post, past, otherwise best, be thick, ST loop, best. Okay, the small loop, the combination of S plus T, combination of S plus P, not S separately. Between these two, if the vowel will be occur, the loop cannot be applicable. Between these two strokes, if vowel will be follows, these are disjointed. If the vowel will be occur between these two, for example, bestow, beset, otherwise be a circle set. Okay. S and T, a light sound will be occur, that is vowel. Beset, bestow, bestow, bestow. It may not be meaningful word, but bestow. If the problem is this. Okay, this is a small loop. Okay, post. Medially also applicable. Just J, sorry, this is J. Justifies here. J, roof, 5, S. Type, if this diphthong will be follows. Latest, latest. On the line. If I have the time, to the dot. Okay, styles. Styles, ST loop after I here. This is I. This is before I. So may give the priority this side. L before I. Okay, styles. And this may be initially applicable, medially also applicable. The loop applicable initially, medially, maybe finally also. Where it is convenient, and legibility and linearity as well as linearity also. సౌకర్యవంతంగా ఉండాలి, రాయడానికి సౌకర్యంగా ఉండాలి, లిజిబిలిటీ ఎక్కువ లెంతీగా ఉండకూడదు, తర్వాత లీనియాలిటీ ఉండాలి. మన యొక్క డిస్టెన్స్ని సపరేట్గా ఇక్కడ మెయింటైన్ చేసేటట్టుగా ఉండాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ ఫోనోగ్రఫీ. ఫోనోగ్రఫీ మీన్స్ ఆనెస్ట్. డోంట్ బి థింక్ హెచ్. Honest, dash vowel. Honest. This is dash vowel. This is dot vowel. Otherwise, honesty. Honesty, for example. Here vowel will be finally. If the vowel will be final, must should be write the vowel. If the vowel will be follows, S circle also cannot applied, as well as ST loop also not applicable. Disposed, through the line. Disposed. refusal, downward, FL refusal. So here not ST loop, you are not given sufficient refusal. Where is ST here? There is no ST. There is no ST. But these two are curve strokes. So how will write down refusal? This is not will be introduced up to here. So refusal always downward. Here loop will be existed, but don't be think here ST. Okay, there is no ST. Okay, final. In rare case, after loop may be applicable, B also sound S. If also follows a circle, test. So testus. Okay. One more time I am writing this is testus. So after ST plus will be occur, then it is possible. Master, large loop, master. Again next time I will explain large circle, large loops. Masterpiece. Okay, these are examples. Give the more example in examination. Masterpiece. PIECE. Spelling is yourself. That is your knowledge. So when cannot be applied? Now. Next is case 2. Loop cannot be applied. Cannot be applied already I told you. Cannot be applied when the over will be occur. Over will be occur between S and T. Between S and T. S and T over will be occur. There it is not possible to leave the with loop. Best B. Best. Be set. Okay, like this is the over honesty. Already given the same. So here right, where you are giving the definitions, that time honesty. So it is easy to understand the examiner. Okay, honesty, best, honesty. Like this. Stones. This is the first stove. Stove and O. O is where it is N before O. N before O means preceding vowels. Okay, stones. State. Stay. A before, after T. ST loop plus A vowel plus T. States. State S plus S. Like this. Order is important. Okay. So we will continue the next class. Okay. Next class we continue large loop, STR or SES. Large loop, large circle. Okay. We will discuss these two in next class. Okay. Have a nice day.